So what exactly is computer engineering? If you've ever wanted to design the technology that makes our world smarter, from the chips inside your phone to the robots exploring Mars, computer engineering is where it happens.
You will design digital logic and the microprocessors, the brains behind today's smart devices. You will write firmware that lets hardware and software communicate, and develop a low-level code that manages timing, power, and data flow. You will also study computer architecture. There you learn how processors, memory, and communication buses coordinate to move information efficiently.
I've always loved building things, like when I made my own drone project from scratch using an Arduino and a bunch of sensors. That project really got me excited about engineering and helped me realize that computer engineering was the right path for me.
The networking course shows you how web tools and social media apps are built and working, and how all the packets are exchanged in the internet world. Whether it's embedded controllers in vehicles, smart appliances, and medical devices, or cloud-scale servers and high-speed communication systems, computer engineers ensure hardware and software work together seamlessly.
One of the coolest things is the Open Lab. It's a space where you can work on projects, do homework, and team up with other students, even outside of class. Thanks to the lab, I've joined some awesome projects, like helping design a rocket motor test platform with students from other engineering majors, and creating a PCB roller with my professors. These experiences have given me real-world skills and the confidence to tackle big challenges. If you're curious, creative, and ready to learn, by doing computer engineering at Weber State could be a great fit for you. Don't be afraid to try new things and push through challenges. You might surprise yourself on what you can build.